do that with the river side. All of us in our, we don't have Christian's the only one wearing his shoes in sports mode. Doing real workout here. The rest of us apparently are playing around. Okay, we got here the other. Oh wait, this is the old battery, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the old battery. Not old battery, but like
our
first battery. Alright, Tony's hooking up the new battery. This one is the first battery. And this one is the second one. Just a little bit more technical. Come to find out. Come to find out after we purchased it. Come to find out. So that's super fun, super cool. Okay, so what they're gonna be doing is, what's it called that you're gonna be doing?
So what I'm doing right now is our first battery was previously arranged underneath our EG4 18K system. So what I'm doing is adding a bigger rack. This battery is going to go to the bottom. And install a bus bar system so that way I can connect this battery to that battery, and then they can wire to the bus bar, and then we have enough space. And the bus bar allows us to add more batteries and racks as we go. So I don't have to buy the whole rack system that they provide for you, but I built my own using this way.
Thanks for Christian. All right, the 199.9 battery is now on the shelf. This shelf now, you can put your shelves on it between batteries. Balance in the world.
Bam.
EG4.
Now I gotta connect them up right quick. So this is my solar box, and I'm pulling solar in, and I'm charging batteries. I just did this. This is my bus bar system. I hooked up because I just got this battery right here. This is our original battery. It was sitting over there. I hooked it up on this rack right here. I connected the both of them, and I got power. This one is doing something too. It's charging, as you can see. So I got power, and it's already updated with the time. That's actually it's an hour behind or whatever, but it's hooked up to that. Notice though, it's two different batteries. Same battery, two different ones. This is the LL version. This is not the LL version. So everything's a little different. This has two things over here, two positive negatives over here. These only have one. My COM port is over here, so it's hard for me to connect my COM port to this battery, so they can't really talk to each other. But they somehow just automatically start talking to each other. And again, got 1,500 watts coming in right now, charging both the systems at 38%. Inside, we are using 720 watts. I just did electrical stuff. Shit.